Okay, so I just want to show you what I've got done. These are planted here. So these, of course, I'm going to mulch here, and it's going to be a little more separated. Next year they'll grow out bigger. All of them, these little balloon flowers too. It's supposed to grow up bigger. So for now I have this. That plant just fell into this plant. It's windy, so I'm thinking of getting some Russian sage this next weekend. I have one here, and it's just absolutely phenomenal. And I think I am going to fill this area with Russian sage, or just a border, or maybe both sides, like this side of the, yeah, I think both sides. Russian sage there, Russian sage there. I think it'd be fantastic. Okay, so now I'm at this part here where I just wanted to kind of have you join me work. I'm planting these here. Allium Millennium. Okay, these are fantastic. They are the small variety, which I think I did show you a while ago in another video, or I don't know, guys, when sometimes I maybe pick myself and I don't know what is going in what video and whatnot. Okay, so, all right, so I'm going to plant this one. This is where I'm planting it, where that stone is. You're gonna laugh at me. I've been using an old, well, it's now old. It's an old steak knife. I know this is ridiculous. This is not a gardening tool. So I'm going to look up on Amazon tonight to buy the tools that I need to cut out the sod here. For now, I'm taking sod out and I'm planting, but I have cardboard. There's a trick that you can use. You just lay the cardboard right on top of your grass, wet it down, and then mulch it. And then that's gonna kill out your grass and keep you from getting weeds for a long while. You can also use that other stuff. What's it called? That, it's for the weeds. Anyhow, but what I've been doing, and it's actually going really, really, really well for me, I'm just using the knife and just cutting it and lifting. It's like a little carpet, just lifting like this. Okay, and the reason why I put that stone there is because I took my measurement and I don't want to lose my measurement. So I know it's approximately here, put my finger there, put the rock back there, and I'm just gonna cut this out. So, I'm just sitting here and relaxing, oh, little worm, and just relaxing and just, cutting it out. But I will be using smarter tools. But if you're in a, you don't have the tools and you want to scrap one of your kitchen knives, it's with teeth. With teeth. So I'm just going to move this a second. I know it's right there. Put it right back. So, yeah. So my husband was laughing at me. He says, "What are you doing with your utensils?" Well, I'm being me. I'm being creative, so yeah. So that's what I did today. There's a part of the day that I didn't do any gardening because it was like 116 degrees here, Fahrenheit, not Celsius, Fahrenheit. Yeah, that was 47, so. And I came out here and I started doing a little, and suddenly my face started burning. And when it's like a bad soap that just makes your skin really tight. Okay, so she is in. I'm just going to add, where's the little card? I'll have to add the card once I find it. So, there. There's the card. Cannot lose this. I'm just gonna tuck it in there to be sure I remember what it is. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean this up. I have all of this still. This is gonna be close to this because I think that the little baby's breath, little rounds with the big rounds, I think that's gonna be cute together. I have this one that I put in a while ago. So that one's in. Everything's measured out. Everything is planned. Oh boy. Whew. But I'm still learning. Of course, it's all about learning. But it's looking good. I think it's looking good. I'm anxious where I'm gonna just cut out the nice edge, create a nice edge. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go round or if I'm gonna do like a wavy edge, or I might do wave. I like movement. We'll see. But for now, I'm gonna stop for tonight. I may be adding this to another, they'll be filming tomorrow also, so I don't know. But for now, I am going to just clean this up and water everything. And yeah, I'm working tomorrow. I have a full week ahead. I'll be planting tomorrow night and every night that I can, because I have a lot of plants back there. And again, yes, I gotta go get some more of the sage. I'm gonna go get more of that. Those there, the ones that I just planted. Whew. Okay, guys, we will see you in the next either clip or video.